Hello techies, this is CompTIA for the 4.1.10 and we are going to configure BIOS as security. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You need to configure additional security in the BIOS for the computer in Office 1. So in this lab, your task is to restart the computer and the BIOS. Press F2 while the computer is booting. Configure the following security settings. Add an admin password used to make changes to BIOS settings. Password is going to be T67XAB1. Add a password that prevents hard disk access even when the hard disk is moved to another system. Password is going to be DOG8B. 0B 0 is the 0 there is a 0 actually, like the number kind of 0. So enable the TPM, enable chassis intrusion detection to show an alert during post when an intrusion is detected. Save your changes, restart the computer to verify changes you have made. Okay, so remember that we are going to use Control Alt plus Delete to restart the computer if necessary. All right, so okay, so let's go ahead and go into Start menu. From the Start menu, we want to from the Start menu. Let's see. Let's restart this computer, and we're going to use. We're going to press F2 right now because we want to go into restart the computer and BIOS. Press F2 and configure the following security settings. So press F2. The reason for F2 is so that this can take us into BIOS. So don't worry when you try to press F2 a couple of times and you still lose into Windows. Don't worry, just restart the computer and start afresh again, or shut down your PC and start afresh again. Maybe you didn't time the F2 well. So once you restart the computer, you're supposed to press F2 consistently until your computer boots into the BIOS. So let's go ahead and restart the computer again and then press F2 so that this boots into BIOS. So it's restarted, so we'll continue to press F2 and this is taking us into BIOS. So we are now inside BIOS. Now while you're inside BIOS, we want to go into the security section, and the first task is to configure the following security setting. Add an admin password used to make changes to BIOS settings. So this is admin password, and admin password is going to be this, so we just copy this and let's see, we copy the password and paste this in here, paste it in here again to confirm. I'll go ahead and click OK, and we are now going to enable new password. So add a password that prevents hard disk access. So we'll ask, okay, so this is the new password that we are to use. So we're going to copy this and paste it here, copy it and paste it here again to confirm, and go ahead and click OK. Click yes here when this warning comes up. So that task is gone. So let's look at the next task here, and the next task says enable TPM. So we'll go into the TPM security and we'll enable this, and that is done. So the next thing is to go into the chassis. So we activate this also for the TPM security. No, this is deactivated. The TPM security, TPM ACPI. We're not told to do anything about that, so we just leave that the way it is. Okay, so let's go into the next task, which is the enable chassis intrusion detection to show an alert during the post when an intrusion is detected. So we're going to the chassis intrusion and we are going to enable this because this field controls the chassis intrusion feature. So disable the intrusion feature, enable the intrusion detection feature, and report intrusion during post. That is what this does. So when you enable this, it is going to report intrusion during post. Okay, so that task is done. Let's look at the next task we have here. We're trying to make this as fast as possible. Okay, so Let's go ahead and start up this PC and see how we do. All the taxi is done, so we'll wait for this to load. I'm gonna show you the password it says in this computer. Alright, so we have a password here, and this is BIOS password. So copy this and paste this in here and click OK, and the BIOS open up. So BIOS now has security. You can't go into BIOS and make any changes except you have the password. So let's see what happens when this is about to start. So this time around it's going to ask for another password again. The reason is because the hard drive, there is a password on the hard drive. So what we're going to do right here is to type in the password here, or just copy and paste to make things faster. So we just type this in here, DOG8B0B. When you're done, you press enter and you see that the PC is booting. So we just wait for it to boot. So we go to device manager, and while in device manager, let's see what we have. Enable chances intrusion, restart the computer, verify. Okay, so we don't have much to do here. Let's see how we do. Go ahead and score lab, and this is 100% correct. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video on all educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. And if you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section or use the WhatsApp number attached to this video to reach me. Thank you for watching. Peace.